One thing that immediately catches your attention is the beautiful brown leather interior. It gives the cabin a warm, timeless feel and perfectly complements the character of the car. Even after all these years, it still feels elegant and incredibly well together. So today we're gonna drive with an E34. And who are we here with?
Jobbers.
Okay. We're here with Jabbers. Now comes one of my favorite parts of the day, taking this beauty out for a drive. We're setting off to find the perfect location for some photos and a few cinematic shots. It doesn't have to be anything extravagant, just somewhere that complements the car and lets its character shine. Sometimes finding the right location takes longer than expected, but that's all part of the process. It also gives us the perfect excuse to spend a little more time enjoying the drive. There's something special about cruising in a classic like this. Every mile reminds you why these cars continue to capture the heart of enthusiasts decades after the first hit the
The
road.
person who worked on the seats, he did really well.
Traffic.
Is this OEM? Like it came like this or you changed them?
No, nothing.
OEM.
I just changed the front one. I just changed them,
Oh, okay. That's beautiful.
It came faulty, and I had to change it all four. I'm like, no.
Oh, okay.
I'm not entirely sure if YouTube is going to have an issue with the music playing in the background. But honestly, it just fits the vibe. So for now, I'm leaving it in.
Colors.
That's what I did for the other one too.
The
The blue one, the E34.
34.
The E30 I did now. The E30 I've got now is automatic, but I'm going to change.
You change to a manual gearbox.
My first E30 after working on, I worked on,
Yeah.
it was automatic. So they doesn't want it to even change it with manual.
Manual. But then, what I've noticed about the car market, the automatic sell for higher prices than the manual.
Old classic cars, the part.
Oh, okay.
And especially for look at when the automatic came.
Yeah.
If a vehicle is automatic at that age,
It's not
1992.
really good.
Yeah.
Because the technology for the automatic was not there. And here's me trying to figure out where the door handle is. Classic cars always have a way of keeping you humble. 34 to a filling station, and look at the color. Oh, okay. Damn, doesn't she look absolutely stunning?
The front tire is bigger than the back. You know, I give it the same thing. That's what I wanted to be earlier. But I give it the same thing. So as it stands now, if they're slow, they will drop.
And considering the hot climate you live in, this lady comes fully equipped with what was top of the line air conditioning system for its time. It's one of those features you don't fully appreciate till you're driving a classic under the West African sun. Got a very clean car. Got OEM. It's a restoration actually. This was recently restored. One detail I absolutely love is that the car still has its complete original 5-piece wheel set. That's not something you come across every day. It's little details like these that preserve the authenticity of the classic and make it all the more special. Apart from the restoration work, almost everything else remains remarkably original, just as it would have been when it rolled out of the dealership all those years ago. That level of originality is becoming increasingly difficult to find. Now, here's a little fun fact about Jervis. He's a classic car restoration specialist with a genuine passion for bringing forgotten machines back to life. He searches for these cars when they are their lowest, carefully restores them, and gives them a second chance on the road. This marks his fourth, or possibly fifth, successful restoration. So far, he's completed 2 BMW E34s and 2 BMW E30s. What's even more interesting is that the very first car he ever owned was an E30. Ever since then, he's dreamed of owning a 2-door E30 and restoring it from the ground up. And knowing the work he's already done, I have no doubt that one day he'll make that dream a reality.